Hello, good evening. My name is Lincoln Davis. I am in Professor Sistrunks 925 Management Information Systems course. And today we're going to be doing a short tutorial on how to efficiently create macros in the Microsoft Excel datasheet. We're going to use some really simple data and just do some basic functions on Microsoft Excel, which include the average, the minimum, the maximum, and the median. So from there, what we will do is we will go here to developer. We're already in the developer tab, as you can see. And we see the macros. Now macros, what it does is basically it's a function in which you can apply the same formatting as far as inserting functions to multiple data. So here we have a second data sheet. Here's our first data sheet, and I want to apply the same format to this data sheet to this one here. So what we will do is, and mind you, this data does not have any specific, it denotes no specific data. It's just random numbers in which we're going to calculate the average. So what we'll do is we will go to record macro. Let's just make it, let's just name it sample macro 1, hit OK. Say I want to make it control L, and hit OK. So I'm going to put, it's recording as we speak, so I'm going to put average min, max, so what we do here is insert function, go to average, hit OK, hit B2 to K2, or hit B2 to K2, I'm going to hit OK for that. Go in, we're going to go to function, okay, then we'll B2 to L2, from B2 to K2, so we can just change that right here. Okay. Max, we want to hit function, max, okay. Go on with that K2, hit OK again. Median function, we want to go to all. Okay. This to be K2. Okay. Now what you will see here is that all of the data is here, but we want to apply it to all of these rows down here. So what we'll do is hit this, click that, click this, click this, click that. Now what we have is the average, the minimum, the maximum, and the median, all in their respective columns. But now, say if we want to just make some aesthetic changes to it, we can go to home, just drop this down, do some conditional formatting, let's highlight anything equal to, let's say, let's do conditional formatting, highlight this, and anything greater than, yeah, let's do anything greater than 20. Okay. Let's do this one as just a yellow fill. Let's do this one as a red text. It's no specific way that I'm doing this. Just to show you relevancy of changing it and what you can do with this function. Let's make this a nice light blue color. Make the text there. Okay. So now we officially have a macro. What we want to do is go back to the developer tab, hit stop recording, go to this data sheet, and let's see what happens if we press Control L. Now you can see all of the data has basically did what we did in the last one. It changed. Changed it. And it altered the data as you can see here. Again, you see we have two separate types of data. Very simple types of data. I'm not doing nothing too extravagant. Just want to give you a basic idea of what macros can do on the computer. So what we'll be doing here is making another macros, and in that we'll be we'll start here. So we'll go here. Say we want to add up the value, find the product, and change the format of these in order for it to be a little bit more clear. So what we want to do is, here I want to put product. And here I want to put the sum here. I want to put the sum here. Okay, so now we have the idea of where we're going to put everything at. So if you do again, if you go to developer, record macro, label it macro 9. So let's get to it. So what we're going to do is go write sum of v1, sum of v2, those represent value 1, value 2, product of v1, comma v2. Extend this cell a little bit more. Okay, from here we're going to hit equals sum. Double click it. Of these numbers, these values here, hit enter. I'm going to hit equals sum. Double click that. With these values here. There you go. There you go. Now we're going to hit product of v1 and v2. So we're going to hit equals product, double click of these two. Then we're going to hit enter. And now what we will do is make some visual changes. So let's change this to number of games. Let's change these to towels. Sum of games. Extend this cell. Sum towels. Change this to product games. Product towels. Change this. Let's make this larger too. Let's go home, additional formatting. In here, greater than 50. Let's make it spring fill. Hit OK. Let's just highlight these yellow. Okay, go back to this, stop recording, take this sheet, let's put it here, and let's see what happens if we insert the macro. I believe it was macro 9, and there you go. Set up just like the other one that we just did, the numbers are different, and there you go, that's how you set up macros.